This is a test of recording the Purple Panda Lavalier mic on my smartphone. Another short little video here for you on a review of a product that I purchased off of Amazon. I was looking for a inexpensive lavalier mic that I could hook up to a cell phone and do audio recording to put with the videos, and or to plug into the video camera and record the audio from there. So I looked online on Amazon, and the product that got pretty good results was this one right here, the Purple Panda. And so I ordered it. It was inexpensive. It was around $23, $25, something like that. Other people had good reviews. I'm not going to give it a good review. The microphone quality is pretty poor. A lot of background noise. It sounds like you're in a tunnel. And shortly I'm going to record some audio and play it back. And I'm not going to do any kind of editing of the audio. I'm just going to play the audio straight back and let you hear it. And I'll do that on the computer. First thing is what comes with the microphone bag, or in the bag, is the lavalier mic first. They give you this little dead cat or dead mouse bag that goes over the mic for windy days. They give you a nice long extension cord, and then these two adapters right here. Now this adapter right here, with the literature that comes with the mic, gives it the compatibility of everything. So in theory, just the mic alone, with this little 3.5mm, see if I can get it to focus. There you go. With this little 3.5mm connection, is supposed to connect to a smartphone, a laptop, a desktop, iPad, or PS4. Now if you want to connect it to a camcorder, like the one I'm using here, a DSLR camera, a portable recorder, which I'm looking at getting, and a GoPro Hero 2, you need this little adapter here, which goes from the 4-pin connector to a 3-pin connector like this. Now my guess, because it's a 4-pin connector, that would be for your audio jack on, or audio in, you're in and out on your smartphone and computer, laptop and stuff like that. Okay, now for why I don't like this product. Oh, the other thing that directions come with was this adapter right here, and that USB adapter there is for your GoPro Hero 4, 3, and 3 Plus. So I don't have a GoPro, so I won't be ever using that. Now, why I don't like this product, other than the crappy sound quality. Now it could have been that I just got a bad mic. I don't know. Another thing that's poor about this company is you go on their website, there's no way that I found yet to contact them with customer complaints. Sorry about that interruption. I'm back. So where was I? Oh yeah, the customer service of Purple Panda is non-existent, at least that I could find. I went online, tried to look up their for a way to contact them. Nothing. It just shows their product and a link to purchase it on Amazon. Okay, so the audio on this, just mic alone, sounds like you're in a tunnel. Terrible. I even tried using Audacity to clean it up. It even sounded worse. Once I got all the static, you could hear all the basically distortions coming through on the mic clearer without the extra echoing sounds that came through. Additionally, this little adapter right here, which is supposed to be used to connect the microphone to the camera, which you're not getting any sound on the camera because this thing doesn't work. I plug it in, the camera recognizes it that it's there, but no sound comes through the mic into here. Now, I did try to even hook it up through this long extension, and that didn't work. I also tried hooking this up to Audacity, and I did make some recordings off it. Now it says that this little 4-pin connect or 4-level connector should work in a desktop computer. It doesn't. You have to use this adapter to get it to work. So I don't know whether this adapter is working properly or not, but I do know that this mic doesn't work at all. And to give you an example, I'm going to go ahead and put the sound recorder on this, and you can see in the recording app, I will go ahead and give it a recording, and you'll see that it's recording, and then I'll play it back on the computer, and you will be able to hear the sound. So let me go ahead and put on the mic. So, and I'll even go down lower with the mic so that they don't, so that's not the problem. And bear with me, I'm not an expert at these smartphones. I really don't like things that are smarter than me. But I'm going to go ahead and start the recording. Now you can see that it's recording, and this is a test of recording the Purple Panda Lavalier mic on my smartphone. So I'm getting background sound from the fan going right now, so we'll try to ignore that. Give a little bit. What I'm doing is I'm giving a little bit of quiet so I can edit the fan out if the fan in fact does interfere. So I'm going to stop at 30 seconds, and I'm going to go ahead and take this into the computer, and we'll go ahead and I'll show you what it sounds like. Well, actually, I can just go ahead and stop this and take this out. Recording. Now you can see that it's recording, and this is a test of recording the Purple Panda Lavalier mic on my smartphone. So I'm getting background sound from the fan right now. I'm not going to play that whole 30-second clip there, but it did record it onto here. So let's go ahead and put this onto my computer, and we will take a look at how the sound actually was recorded as it plays back through the computer. Okay, so I have the file downloaded onto my computer. Go ahead and start the screen capture, and you can follow along. So I'll edit this in, and I'm going to save that in my music. Okay, so this is the file that I've recorded, and I'll play it back on the computer, and you can hear it. So here it goes. Actually, you'll hear it on the camera. I'll see if I can't edit that out and let you hear it directly as it's recorded digitally, and I'll try and edit that in. We'll see if I can do that. You're asking a lot from me here, because I'm not that technologically savvy. Now you can see that it's recording, and this is a test of recording the Purple Panda Lavalier mic on my smartphone. So I'm getting background sound from the fan going right now, so we'll try to ignore that. Give a little bit. What I'm doing is I'm giving a little bit of quiet so I can edit. Okay, so the audio that I'm playing back right now, I can still hear background noise. Let's see if I were to go into Audacity and there it is, right where I left it. And see if I can't clean that up a bit and see how that affects the other sounds. Got to find out. Open. That's right. That's where I want to go. Excuse me. Okay, so when importing uncompressed audio files, you can either copy them into the project or read them directly from the current location. There are currently preferences to copy them. Yep, make a copy. Alrighty, so there it is. Recording. Now you can see that it's recording, and this is a test of recording the Purple Panda. Let's go ahead and shut that off. I am getting a little bit of background noise, so let's go ahead and I'm going to grab a sample of that, and hopefully this is a long enough sample that I can get a good noise reduction on. Let's see here. So I'm going to go through my noise reduction procedure and get noise profile, and then repeat noise reduction. Oh, forgot to do Control A. Cancel that. So Control A, effect, and so let's try it now. Recording. Now you can see that it's recording, and this is a test. That actually came out a lot better. I'm not hearing the background sound, and the background sound more than likely was from the fan running. So, you know, on my little smartphone here, it seems to run better. I did try it on an old iPhone 3, and the sound quality was crap on that. But I really wish, and I did try and record directly onto the PC using this adapter, because I couldn't plug the mic directly in and get it to read on Audacity, which is a recording software. So I'll just go ahead and plug that in right now, and we're going to go ahead and close this out, and we're going to select the high definition microphone, test 1 2, and I'm not getting any recording. I'm not showing any vocals recording there. Now I did try and close this out. I don't want to save that, so let's go ahead and open Audacity again. And then I don't think you can put a microphone in Audacity and then have it. And there might be a way to refresh it. I don't know. So yeah, so let's hear your speaker, microphone. That's for the webcam. And it looks like it did add another microphone. So let's go ahead and try that. Test 1 2 1 2. And I'm not getting any recording there either. So I just go ahead and stop that and play it back. All I get is static. So now let me try the other microphone that came up too, and we'll give that a shot. Test 1 2 1 2, and nothing appears to be recording there either, and you can hear the sound of nothing recording. So what to do? Now let me go ahead and plug in the adapter, and compared to the other one that I played when I recorded off the cell phone, you'll hear what this sounds like. Test 1 2 1 2, and you can see the noise, how much noise you're getting. And I don't know if it is this adapter. I mean, it could be this adapter is just crap, and because there's an awful lot of noise coming through it. So if that's the case, if Purple Panda wants to get back to me and send me another one of these adapters that works, I'll probably reevaluate, and it could just be this adapter as to why it won't work in the camera. So there could be just too much background noise. Now let me go ahead and play this back to you, and you can hear how bad it sounds. Test 1 2 1 2, and you can see the noise, how much noise you're getting, and I don't know if it. So see, it's just I can't use it to do voiceovers or anything on there. I'll have to go back to using a newer mic, that NEEWER mic that I've been using for a while, and I also have a review up here, so if you go take a look at that review, I'll put a link somewhere either down below or up top here. That one records excellent. I don't get any of this feedback, and yes, the AC is running. I got a fan overhead, but you can't, I mean, I can't work with that. I can try and clean it up, but it's just going to make all sorts of distortions in the sound. That's it for this mic. I wouldn't recommend it. For one, it doesn't hook up to my camera, and that's the main thing I wanted it for, was so that I can plug it into my camera and use it to do things like this to get the sound, but obviously it doesn't work. So I wouldn't recommend that you buy this product, even though that it's inexpensive. I know that other people have reviewed it, said it's a good product. That's not the case for me. Now, if anyone from Purple Panda is out there, sees this video, wants to get in touch with me to work out, you know, why this thing isn't working correctly, that's fine. I'm willing to review this at a later date if they do get back to me. If anyone else out there has this product that is having the same results, leave a comment below. If you might be able to help me troubleshoot it, go ahead and leave a comment below. Let me know what I'm doing wrong, if I'm doing anything wrong, or if I just got a bad product. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.